Dear students, in last class we have seen one problem on difference method. In difference method there are two types. So in type 1 we have solved in last class. Last video I explained. The question was like this. Find the nth term and sum of n terms of the series 3 plus 4 plus 7 plus 2. So I have given the method, difference method. What we have done? We have taken the given sequence as A1, A2, A3, etc. So we found first order differences, second order differences and third order differences, etc. So if the first order differences are equal, then general term is Tn is equal to n plus b. If first order differences are not equal, then calculate second order differences. If they are equal, then general term is Tn is equal to an square plus bn plus c. If second order differences are also not equal, then calculate third order differences. If they are equal, then general term is Tn is equal to an cube plus bn square plus cn plus d. So this is the type 1 in difference method. So we solved one problem also. The question was like this: 3 plus 4 plus 7 plus 12 plus 19, etc. Find the nth term and sum of n terms. So next, type 2 in difference method. So this question, if you see this question, find the nth term and sum of n terms of the series 9 plus 16 plus 29 plus 54 plus 103, etc. So to solve this question, we use type 2. So I will use a method to solve this question by type 2. So type 2. So this was type 1 actually. This is difference method. This is type 1, now type 2. The method is the first order differences, first point. If the first order differences, are not equal but form a GP, form a geometric progression with common ratio R's, then general term is given by Tn is equal to A into R power n minus 1 plus B. So this is the general term. If the first order differences are equal, then that comes under type 1, that is an arithmetic progression. But if first order differences are not equal but forms a GP with common ratio R, then the general term is this one, A into R power n minus 1 plus B. Here R is the common ratio of the GP. Next, next 2. If the first order differences do not form a GP, if first order differences do not form a GP, then calculate second order differences. If they are in GP with common ratio R, then general term is given by Tn is equals to A into R power n minus 1, plus Bn plus C. So this is the general term. That is, if the first order differences neither equal nor form a GP, then go for second order differences. If second order differences are not, if second order differences are equal, then type 1. If the second order differences are also not equal but forms a GP with common ratio R, then general term is this one, Tn is equal to A into R power n minus 1 plus Bn plus C. Next, suppose if second order differences do not form a GP, then calculate third order differences. If they are in GP, if they are in GP with common ratio R. They are in GP with common ratio R. Then general term is given by Tn is equal to A into R power n minus 1 plus Bn square plus Cn plus D. Bn square plus Cn plus D. This is the general term. So like this we need to proceed. So here third point, if you see, if the second order differences are not, if the second order differences are equal, then go for type 1. If the second order differences are not equal and do not form a GB, then calculate third order differences. If they are in GB, this is the general term. So this is the procedure. Now come to this question. The question is find the nth term and sum of n terms of the series 9 plus 16 plus 29. Therefore, write the question again. So the question is 9. So 9, 16, 29. 9, 16, 29, 54, 103. 29, 54, 103. So this is the question. So right. Now what we do is, first we calculate first order differences. First order differences. So these differences. First order differences. 16 minus 9, that is 7. So 29 minus 16, 13. Next 54 minus 29, 25. So 103 minus 54, 49. So these are the first order differences. So these are neither equal nor form a GP. That's why go for second order differences. So then calculate second order differences. So here 13 minus 7, that is 6. 25 minus 13, 12. So this one is 49 minus 25, 24. Yes. Now see, here second order differences are not equal but forms a GP with common ratio of 2. Therefore, it comes under type 2. So here general term is what? This one. Tn is equal to A into R power n minus 1 plus Bn plus C. Because second order differences are forming a GP with common ratio R. So therefore, general term is Tn is equal to A into R. What is R here? Common ratio is what? 2. 12 by 6 or 24 by 12, etc. Therefore, common ratio is 2. Therefore, A into 2 power n minus 1 plus Bn plus C. So this is the general term of the given series. Now, what you need to find? A, B, C values. To find A, B, C values, we require 3 equations. For that one, what you do? Put n is equal to 1, 2, 3 in general term. So this is 1. Now put n is equal to 1. Then what you get? T1. T1 is equal to A into 2 power here 0 plus Bn means B only plus C. That is nothing but A plus B plus C. So which is equal to first term is what? Here 9. Therefore this is equal to 9. This is first equation. Now put n is equal to 2. If you put n is equal to 2, T2 is equals to, it becomes 2A plus n is equal to 2. 2A plus 2B plus C. Here second term is equal to what? 16. This is the second equation. Next n is equal to 3. If you put n is equal to 3, T3, that is 4A plus 3B plus C is equal to, third term is what? Here 29. So now how many equations are there? 3 equations. We need to find 3 variables ABC. So these 3 equations are enough. So now we will solve for ABC. So to solve for ABC, first what we do is take first and second equation. This one is first. So From first and second equation, what we do is from 1 comma 2, we will eliminate C. That is A plus B plus C is equal to 9. 2A plus 2B plus C is equal to 60. Subtract 1 from the other, minus, 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 minus. C cancel. This is minus A minus B is equal to here 7. Minus 7, sorry. Minus 7. So that is A plus B is equal to 7. So this is fourth equation. Now from second and third, eliminate C. That is second equation is 2A plus 2B plus C is equal to 16. Third one is 4A plus 3B plus C is equal to 29. From these two equations, again subtract minus minus. So C cancel. This is minus 2A minus B is equals to minus 13. So that is 2A plus B is equal to 13. So this give this number 5. Now from 4 and 5 you can eliminate B. That is fourth equation is A plus B is equal to 7. This is fourth one. Fifth one is 2A plus B is equal to 30. So subtract one from the other, B cancel, minus A is equal to minus 6. Therefore A is equal to 6. Yes, we got A as 6. Now substitute A is equal to 6 in fourth one. Then what you get? 6 plus B is equal to 7. So B is equal to 1. So B is 1. A you substituting this first equation. First equation is what? A plus B plus C equal to 9. So AB is substituting first equation. A plus B plus C is equal to 9. This one is first equation. Then what happens? That is 6 plus 1 plus C is equal to 9. C is equal to 2. So we got ABC values. Now what is our general term? General term is this one. A into 2 power n minus 1 plus B n plus C. In this one you substitute ABC values. Therefore general term of the series is Tn is equal to A is 6 into 2 power n minus 1 plus Bn. That is B is 1 only. Bn plus C is 2. So this is our general term of the given series. So now check whether our answer is correct or not. To verify our algebra, just you put n is equal to 1. Any algebraic mistake is there or not. To check that one, just you put n is equal to 1. Then what you get? 6 into, this is 1 only, 2 power 0, plus 1 plus 2. Therefore 6 plus 2 plus 1, 9. Yes, we got the first term. That is 9. Yes. If you put n is equal to 2, you will get 16. N is equal to 3, you will get 29. So you verify. If you put n is equal to 1, we got first term as 9. Yes, our algebra is fine. There is no algebraic mistake. Now this is the nth term. Next, what we need to find? Sum of n terms also. Nth term and sum of n terms also. Nth term and sum of n terms. To find sum of n terms, what we do is, our sum of n terms is what? Sn. So sum of n terms Sn is equal to sigma r vary from 1 to n tr. This is sum of n terms. That is equal to sigma r vary from 1 to n. What is tr? Tr is equal to 6 into 2 power r minus 1 plus r plus 2. This is our sum of n. Now open the sigma. Therefore this we can further simplify. R is equal to 1 to n. This is 6 into 2 power r by 2 plus r plus 2. This implies sigma r vary from 1 to n is 2 3 times. Therefore this is 3 into 2 power r plus R plus 2. So this implies 3 outside, 3 into sigma R vary from 1 to n, 2 power R plus sigma R vary from 1 to n R plus sigma R is equals to 1 to n 2. Then if you open that sigma, then what you get? 2 plus 2 square, 2 cube, etc. up to 2 power n. Plus this is sum of n natural numbers actually. Need not to write, but 1 plus 2 plus 3 etc. up to n, we know this one. Plus this is 2 plus 2 plus 2 n times, that is 2n. So now this first bracket is what? Sum of the in terms of a geometric progression with first term 2 and common ratio r. Already you know the formula. That is a into r power n. R is common ratio. R power number of terms are n. A into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. First bracket. Second bracket is sum of n natural numbers, n into n plus 1 by 2. Third one is 2n. So this is nothing but 6 into 2 power n minus 1 plus n into n plus 1 by 2 plus 2n. So this is our sum of in terms of the given series. So here also we can verify whether our answer is correct or not. What you do is just to put n is equal to 2 in this one to check our algebra. So if you put n is equal to 2, you should get S2 because this is what Sn. This one is Sn. If you put n is equal to 2, you should get sum of two terms. If you put n is equal to, then what happens? 6 into 2 square minus 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 2 into 2. That is, this one is 3, 6 3s are 18 plus 2 to cancel plus 3 plus 4. That is, this one is 20, 25. So sum of two terms is 25. Now we see in given series sum of two terms is 25 or not. See here 9, sum of two terms 9 plus 16. 9 plus 16 is 25. Yes, we got sum of two terms as 25. Yes, our answer is correct only. So this is the method, type 2 of difference method.